Good morning. Today my mother has got an invitation and I won't be going because I have some other work. This rose has become totally pink, but other were actually whitish pink. Still some are there which are whitish pink. This one has become totally pink. Today it's a windy morning, and yesterday night also I could feel that winds were blowing, and that had made the like the more chilliness. Yesterday night means while we were sleeping, the rats were making a lot of noise. So inside the kitchen, I do not know what they must have done. Okay, so this Belna had fallen down, means I could hear the noise, means it fell down like this. And else then this, I think the containers are all okay. Okay, over here they have done some kind of nuisance. After brushing, I would go for prayers. So I have already burned the agarbatti and I will keep it in my prayer room. So here I do my prayers. Since this is Buddhism, there is no other necessity. Else then I need a bell, and this is the gongyo or the liturgy. And very recently actually I have got a image statue, small statue of Lord Buddha, and this is not actually mine. This belongs to my elder brother. He had bought it in his school days, and it had lied in our house all these years. And very recently I got it, took it out, and started keeping it here.